If you're wondering which is the most popular cloud in United States, UK, Australia, or maybe even a city close to you, then this is the video for you. My name is Ashish, and I'm a cybersecurity leader who's passionate about teaching people cloud security and helping them get their dream job in cloud security. So the answer to your question, which is the most popular cloud, there are basically three options: Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Anything outside of this, there's a bunch of other private and public clouds. However, they're probably not enough of a market share for you to even consider them. Now, if you are looking at this answer probably because you're thinking about changing a job or moving into the cloud or learning about certain cloud service providers, you probably want to focus on one. And my personal recommendation, which would probably help you probably for say the next 5 years, not just in 2021, is Amazon Web Service. If you focus your attention on Amazon Web Service as probably the first one to go for, I'll give you a few reasons why I think it would be helpful for you for the next 5 years as well. First of all, they were the first on the scene. They were the first public cloud service provider. So they have a 7-year head start on all the other cloud service providers, including Azure and Google Cloud. Now, what this means is there is a lot more material out there for you to learn about AWS, what works and what doesn't work, especially if it's going to be handy for your promotion that you're after in your job. Now, the second reason being they have a lot of data centers. I'm talking about Amazon has the most countries covered in terms of data centers among all the public cloud service provider. This is as of true of 2021 that I'm recording this video, but I'll leave a link in the comments and the description below so that you're able to at least check out the current state when you watch this video. But irrespective, they have the largest coverage, so there might be one close to you or maybe in your city. However, if it's not in your city, you may want to think about data sovereignty, but that's for another topic. The other reason I would probably look at this is if you're looking for that next job, there are more jobs out for jobs in AWS compared to Azure or Google Cloud, because clearly being the most popular, it also means that there's a lot more people who have moved their infrastructure into AWS. So there are more jobs in that space as well. Now, third and final reason, there was a report that came out in 2021 Q1, which is in the first Jan, Feb, March. What came out was the cloud market itself is $15 billion, and the largest share, 32% of that market, is owned by AWS at the moment, followed by Azure, followed by Google Cloud, and then everything else in that other bucket. So they're already still leading, which means because of that 7-year head start, they are probably looking at maintaining that head start for some time to come, which is why I think this is a good prediction for the next 5 years. If you pick AWS as that cloud that you want to learn from and probably check out some of their certificates or some of the free courses that are there online, you are putting yourself in a good place to start thinking about a career in cloud. If you got value from this free episode, I would really appreciate if you like the video. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment and we'll try our best to make a video on that as well. If you like content like this, I would definitely encourage you to follow and subscribe Cloud Security Podcasts, where we go live stream every weekend talking to people about cloud security and how they're doing cloud security in their own field or in their industry. That's all I wanted to cover for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.